Mix a Manhattan drink. Cocktail recipe. Enjoy a homemade cocktail. There are many variations on the Manhattan cocktail. Below you will find ingredients and directions for a classic Manhattan, one of the most popular cocktail drinks around. Classic Manhattan ingredients: 2 1/4 ounces rye or bourbon, 1 1/4 ounces sweet vermouth, 2 dashes Angostura bitters, 1 maraschino cherry. Cocktail recipe directions: fill the cocktail shaker with ice and let sit for 1 to 5 minutes to chill the shaker. Fill your martini glass with ice to chill the glass. Important: empty 1/2 of the ice out of the cocktail shaker and strain out any water. Pour all ingredients into the shaker, minus the garnish. Shake very well. You want the mixture to be thoroughly mixed and chilled. Empty the ice out of the martini glass. Strain the cocktail mixture into martini glass. Place maraschino cherry garnish inside martini glass. Serve immediately. Required tools: cocktail shaker, martini glass.